how to spot if there's something wrong with your plant. So you need to look around what's happening. Like for example, this is a rubra. As we can see, it's droopy. It's droopy. Look, it's not like this before. And look at the flowers. It's falling down. It didn't continue to become fruit. So something's wrong. Look at all the flowers. It's falling down. Look at the flowers. Yep, it's falling down. So I think there is something wrong under the roots. If you press here, it's not squishy. It's not squishy. But these signs that it looks droopy and the flowers are falling, it didn't continue to become fruit. So there are signs. These are signs to me. Let's check what's inside. Let's check what's inside the pot. So how do we remove all these soils without stressing the roots? It's like this. I'll show you. Come. Just like this, spray with water. I can't see anything here visually because I wash it away and then I check this pot. I cannot see anything either. But we have just two culprits here. One is fungus and the other one is insect. So I'm still gonna treat this one with fungicide and insecticide. But I'm gonna remove these roots and reset it back so it will grow a new root system. But here there's no squishy part yet. Okay, let me remove the roots. Okay, I'm gonna treat this one with this one, yellow sulfur powder. I'm gonna throw this old soil away. Wash this pot thoroughly. After washing this thoroughly with soap and water, I'm gonna replace this with new soil mix. 2 parts soil, any soil you have in your area, and 3 parts pumice. 1, 2, 3. Mix. After mixing, you're gonna have a very loose soil and a very well draining soil. There's a scar here, if you can see. There's a scar from a previous scale attack, but they are all dead anymore, so it's not the cause of this being droopy. After 24 hours, when you have calloused this one, you can pot it. But before I pot it, I'll add Starkel G insecticide. And pot. For now, I will just put this here in the shade after a week, and I can start acclimating it in full sun.